In this video, I'll show you step by step how to start basic revision for the GATE exam using GateCareer. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type gatecareer.com and press enter. Click the first result to open GateCareer. At the top header, click on Assignments. This will open the GATE assignment resources page. Scroll down the page until you see the Quick Basic Revision section. Here, all branches are listed. I'm selecting Electrical Engineering as an example. Click the Electrical Engineering card to open the branch revision page. On the Electrical Engineering Basic Revision page, you'll see the full list of topics required for the GATE exam. For example, click Electrical Machines. This opens a topic page with all basic concepts and short explanations. On the right side, you'll see the AI audio panel. Simply click the play button and the page will be read aloud. Scroll down further and you'll also find Frequently Asked Questions. Click any question to expand and read the answer. Finally, you can also check your branch practice quiz from this page and start testing yourself.